Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
everyone. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so we have Bindu, we have Rupesh, Vibha, Sangeeta, Suman, Nandita, Tamali, Poonam, Jagruti, Renu, Manogya, and Pooja. Okay, so good evening. Before I go ahead, if you have anything to ask, you can ask. I'm expecting some 1-2 more people. Yes, any question? Okay, so today class is very special. Why? Because till date we have been trying to communicate with others, but today we will communicate with our own self, because this is the first step. We should communicate with ourselves, and then we try to communicate with others. There are so many people, they communicate with others, but they never communicate with their own self. Okay, so this is very important session, and yes, this session is linked to neuro-linguistic programming. So we are starting neuro-linguistic programming. In short, we call it NLP. NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. And this is very important. This comes under neuroscience. So it will tell you that how we communicate using our brain. So this is very important. So I welcome everyone. And this session is very, very important. So this session will tell you, because our topic is neuroscience pathway to success. Neuroscience pathway to success. You know, guys, I'm telling you a very important thing. If I ask you, success is inside or success is outside? Always try to understand this question. Yes, can anybody tell me, in success
Inside,
is
sir.
inside or outside? So Jagruti
Inside,
is
sir.
saying it is inside. Can you tell me how?
Because your mindset is not growth, then how you are come in outer world? Because
Okay.
first of all, you have to
But
focus on your mindset.
please listen everyone, we are talking very serious thing. And I'm not going to give you today opportunity to speak. Today you will speak with your own mind. So today's class is a bit different. It is less about speaking English, rather it's more about communicating with your own self. So that is the reason it is neuro-linguistic programming. And if possible, I would always request you to switch on your camera, because people who switch on their camera, if there is no any other problem, okay, so that's the other problem. I don't want that anybody take any issues in between the session. I want that you should feel free and do this. So what I was telling, success is outside or success is inside? This is my question. Success, okay, so Jagruti said success is always inside. Okay, yes, can anybody add something to it?
Sir, Prakashni here.
Yeah.
Sir, you told in one of the earlier classes, I'm just only quoting from that, because you said success comes from your quality decision. That means that taking a quality decision and being aware of what it is, it's in our hand only, no? Because
Yes,
by not making mistake only, we can be successful, isn't it?
yes, absolutely.
So that means success comes only from inside.
Okay. Okay, can anybody add anything more specific? Why success is inside? So suppose you feel that when you will be a very good communicator, so you will be successful. So how it can be inside? Because you have to speak with everyone, so it should be outside. How the success is inside? That's what I'm thinking.
Then,
Yeah, Renuji, please speak.
if we able to speak in English our expression and our feeling, so we'll get satisfied. So I feel that whatever I want to say, I told my expression in a success way. So I will keep success from inside after expressing successfully English.
Very
language.
good, very good, Renu. I like like what you said. Yeah, Suman, you want to add something?
The success in inside us, that means if I become a good communicator, that after becoming a good communicator, we should feel it inside also. We should be happy with that. It doesn't mean that we should give the talk to others and they will always feel happy inside. When giving the talk, we should feel in our happiness inside. So I think that is the real success.
Okay, I'll tell you one very good example. One day I took a training. Please listen, this is very important. One day I took a training where a lot of people, they did the presentation. They presented, okay? So after that presentation, there was a girl who told me that, sir, I am not a good speaker in front of them. I'm not a good speaker in front of them, because they spoke very good and they are really very high status maybe. So that girl said, because that girl was internally not happy, because that girl thought that I am small and they are bigger. So when you think that you are small and somebody is bigger, you cannot be a good communicator. You have to be internally a best communicator, then it will be shown outside. It cannot be possible that I am internally not feeling good and I'm speaking very good. It is not at all possible. It means when you come for your public speaking, first you should be internally happy that yes, I'm going to speak so well today. Then only it will be externally presented. Internally, if you are not happy, it cannot be externally exposed or externally presented. Suppose money, you will feel that money is always outside. Money is a note, we touch notes. But guys, money is always internal, because the more you feel that you deserve money, you can earn money, the more money you earn. So everything is created first here. Anything, you think anything, you see this is a small remote. It was created inside first and then it was created outside. Whatever, even you are wearing a headphone, that was created inside first in the mind of the creator and then it was created externally. So whatever you want to be in future, first of all, you have to design in your mind, because if the mind, that design is not there, you cannot create it in your life. So if in your mind you have a design that I'm not good, I'm very inferior to somebody, externally that will be represented only. So suppose I'm a coach, maybe some of you know better than me, but when I come for class, I feel that I know something really good and I'm telling and I'm going to share you. मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं यहाँ पे किसी को मेरे से ज्यादा पता होगा, because I feel, see, this is not because I'm a coach, because I feel like this, because I'm here to share it. My confidence is very high. I have a high self-esteem. So always you will feel that, no, I should listen him and I should feel I should share this. This is very important. How do you feel about your communication? If you are not happy, you cannot be a good communicator. If you are not a good, you are not confident, you will never be a good communicator. So everything starts from your mind. I did not become good and then became a coach. Please listen. I was good in my English. Some of the grammar I used to do good. So I did not become good in my English and then I become a coach. I became a coach and then I tried to become much better and better every day. Suppose you want to be a coach. So it will first, you have to feel that I am a better coach. I can coach people much better way. See my body language, everything is like a coach. When you think like that, then you will become a coach. So this is very important, that your success should start from your mind itself. And that's the reason today our topic is neuroscience pathway to success, because our success is programmed inside our mind. So guys, the first step to change your neural pathway to succeed in your life, the first thing, you have to set a positive goal. You have to set a positive goal. This is the first step. If you really want to change something in your life, the first step is you have to set a positive goal. So I want to know that what is the difference between a positive goal and negative goal? Goal is always positive. Then why we are talking about positive goal? Can anybody tell me? Yes, anyone?
So it can be right direction.
Sir,
Just a minute, just a minute. Yeah, Manogya, it can be right direction.
Yeah.
Okay, Poonam.
maybe when we specifically when we set a specific goal, and when we will work on that, that is called positive goal. And when we have in our mind, but we don't implement, that is called, I think that is called negative goals, when we
Okay.
don't work on that.
Okay,
Maybe.
so it means we have a
Sir,
goal if we are not working. Okay, that is
Yeah, sir.
negative goal. Okay, Meenakshi.
Sir, positive goal means
Sir, sometimes we have set that goals which we cannot be achieved. So we
Okay.
have to set only that goals where we can think about it, that we have to achieve it and we have to reach that goal. So this is called, I think, in my knowledge, as a positive goals.
See, what you people are telling, absolutely right, but I am looking for a very specific part. Yeah, Ritu, you want to say something?
Sir, it should be a win-win goal.
Sir, positive goal means a good goal, I think. Like, I want to be a good communicator, I want to be a good teacher, I want to
See,
be
goal, most of the time people set a positive goal only. Means the goal, we know that it should be always positive. But why we are talking about positive? Yeah, Rupesh.
So the effort should be positive towards our goal.
Okay, the effort should be positive. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead. And yes, Suman.
Sir, I think that if I'm a good in something, that is my positive point, then I have to work more on this rather working than what are my weaknesses. So this may be the positive, set a positive goals or work on the positive way.
Okay. Let's I'll ask Renu ji. Yeah.
Focus on your achievement. Focus on your goal, whatever you want to do, and think that I can do it.
Okay. Very close. I'll say very close. Renu ji, you're speaking very close. So set positive goal. The real meaning is you visualize, you listen and think of what you would like to achieve and attain and develop it. When you visualize your goal and you listen also your goal and you think what you would like to achieve and you attain and you develop means develop a plan to achieve your goal, that is called setting a positive goal. A goal is something which you can always visualize. A goal is something which you can always visualize. See, I will give you the PDF. Don't write. Try to give your whole concentration here. I will give you the PDF of the same. Please try to visualize. That is more important. Okay. Visualize means whenever you close your eyes, you visualize the same thing. Okay, just do this. You all have your goals, what you want to do in life.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself first. Okay. And I really want you to close your eyes, and please do it honestly. Please close your eyes. Please close your eyes and think about the moment when you are becoming a very successful. Try to understand what exactly you are doing. You are very successful in what you are doing. Look at the moment. People are clapping for you. You can listen the sound of the clapping. You can see yourself. People are talking about you. People are proud of you. Imagine. Try to listen what they are talking about you. They're talking really nice about you. They're so proud of you. They're so happy. Just feel the happiness you're feeling right now. As if you are right now, you are living that moment. You are living that moment right now. You're so happy from inside. You're so happy. Look at your smile. You're so happy. People are so happy who are beside you. And you are thanking to your God. You're thanking to your motivators. You are thanking to your mentors, because due to them, due to their help, you have reached this goal. Now, slowly and gradually, you open your eyes. Did you see something? Were you connected with something, some visualize? वो visualization हो रहा था क्या?
Yes, sir.
Could you
Yes, sir.
visualize?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
वो sound आ रही थी clap की.
Yes.
Yeah, Meenakshi, what happened? Yeah. Okay. You know, so many times we visualize many things, but कभी-कभी negative भी visualize करते रहते हैं हम लोग, you know, कि मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, I'm not able to do, मेरे से नहीं होगा. This is the visualization which we have done right now. When we visualize, we see ourselves winning that moment. We see ourselves achieving that moment. We listen, people are clapping for us. We listen, people, they are telling good for us. And everything happens here, I told you when I started. Because ये सपना अगर यहाँ देख लिया, then we are definitely going to achieve it. यहीं पे अगर नहीं देखा, तो फिर क्या होगा? This visualization is very important. We never visualized our, ourselves anytime. This is very important that we visualize ourselves, that I'm achieving that. Yes, I'm achieving. I can visualize, I can listen. I can think of what I want to achieve. I can attain, and then you can develop your plan how. So the best part is, a goal that sounds satisfying to you will motivate you more than a goal that only expresses a step in the plan. This is a wonderful line. You should always understand. You know, some people, they just follow the step how to become successful, but they are not excited about. Only steps are not going to help you. The more you are excited about your goal, the more the chances will be that you will achieve that goal. There are many people, they know many things, but they still don't achieve their goal because they are not excited about that goal. If you are not excited about what you are doing, there are so many people, they know engineering, they are doing engineering, but they are not excited about engineering. There are so many people, they are doing teaching, they know how to teach, but they are not excited about their teaching. If they are not excited about teaching, they cannot connect with people. There are so many people, they know public speaking, they know how to speak, they know English, they know how to speak in front of public, but they are not excited about speaking. if you are not excited about speaking, you will never be a good speaker. Are you understanding this? So it's less about your competency. Of course, that is important. You should be capable enough. But it's also about your excitement. Are you really excited about getting that moment, what you have seen just now? That excitement is important. So this is called positive goal. You are very positive about your goal. Your mind is very positive about your goal. Now I want to ask you, see, you may be positive, then what is the problem? Why people are not achieving their goal? What is stopping them? I just want to know if you want to share.
So one thing, our mindset always stops us, that we don't believe in ourselves, that we believe that I can't do this. And for when we give up, most of the time, when our that time, oh, I don't think we cannot achieve anything.
Sometimes Poonam ma'am said that our mindset, yes, I agree with her, but there is my another opinion, because some of people are not achieving their targets or goals because they have, I think, some financial issues also. So they wanted to do the things which they want, but somehow they are stuck in between. Kaise hoga? Because
Okay, very good point. Meenakshi, please try to listen. There are three important parts: what to do, why to do, and how to do. There are three important parts: what to do, why to do, and how to do. The problem with us, we are more focusing on how. We are more focusing on how to do class. I don't have money. I can't do this. Like me, it happened in my life. I wanted to become a cricketer. I asked my father. He said, no, ये सब मत करो, कोई फायदा नहीं. I didn't have any money, so I did not go for it. So many times I wanted to become a singer. Nobody supported me. I could not buy a harmonium, so I did not become. These are all wrong story. I did not try it. Every time I thought how, and it stopped me. The first is what I want to do. The second is why I want to do it. When your what and why is really very strong, how will fly back to you. Because we are so much, we are thinking about how, kaise hoga, nahi ho payega, I don't have money, kaise hoga, nahi hoga. Keep it aside. Think about what I want. I want to become a cricketer. क्या करना है, क्यों बनना है cricketer? I want to become a cricketer because I want to play for India. Okay, so I want to play for India, so I will do something. When you are excited about it, then कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकल आता है. कैसे आता है किसी को नहीं पता, but आ जाता है. It just comes. And those who always think कैसे होगा, नहीं होगा, पैसा नहीं है, नहीं होगा, every time they are telling their mind नहीं होगा. अरे भाई, इस mind ही तो सब कुछ है. Just now you visualized in your mind and you are telling your mind that it is not possible, it is not possible. Your mind will not explore because mind को आपने बोल ही दिया है भाई नहीं होगा, तुम चुप रहो, ज्यादा सोचो मत. मैं बता रहा हूं कि you tell your mind what you want and why you want it. और हाउ को ना छोड़ दो, ऊपर वाले के लिए छोड़ दो. हाउ विल कम बैक टू यू. आई एम टेलिंग यू, हाउ विल कम बैक टू यू. बहुत लोगों के लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है, उनको हाउ पता भी नहीं था और उसके सपने पूरे हो रहे हैं. उसको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे पूरे हो रहे हैं, बट दे आर सो हैप्पी अबाउट इट. हमको करना है जैसे भी हो. आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट बिकॉज दिस इज बिकॉज का आंसर मिलेगा विजुअलाइजेशन से. जब आप आंख बंद कर रहे थे, जो सीन देख रहे थे ना, बिकॉज मेरे को वो हकीकत में चाहिए. जो आंख बंद करके आपने देखा, उसको आपको टच करना है. इफ यू रियली वांट टू टच दैट मोमेंट, ये हाउ को ना दूर रखिए थोड़ा सा. हाउ इज नॉट दैट पावरफुल. इंग्लिश बोलना है, कैसे भी मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना है. आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली, लग जाना है. कैसे होगा पता नहीं. सर आई हैव कम टू IDQ नाउ, यू जो भी आप बोलोगे मैं करूंगा, बट मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना है. सिंपल. कैसे होगा, कैसे होगा, कैसे नहीं. आई विल बी हियर एंड आई विल लर्न इट. डोंट फोकस ऑन हाउ, focus on what and why. This is important. See what we are learning here, it is very important, and you have to take it very seriously, because this is about your mind. Every time I'm telling, if your mind is convinced, magic happens. If your mind is not convinced, then magic will not happen in your life. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं सर ऐसा नहीं होता है, सर डायलॉग है ये सब. उनके लाइफ में तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. आई चैलेंज यू. जो बोलते हैं ना सर हो जाएगा, मुझे पता है हो जाएगा सर, आई नो होगा सर. प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है, हो जाएगा. Probability. See, success is all about probability. The more you work, the more you visualize, you don't get success. You increase the probability of the success to happen. You cannot get success. Success हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. हमारे हाथ में है सक्सेस को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी को बढ़ाना. So if I'm telling my mind I cannot do it because of these reasons, your mind will never give you idea that how you will achieve that. So this is very important. Don't get convinced by your negative thoughts. So guys, the first is you have your positive goal inside. You visualize your goal, you listen your goal, you feel your goal, and you be excited about your goal. That is important. And the next is number 2, ask yourself positive question. Ask yourself positive question. You know what is positive question? Okay. Can anybody give me any positive question? What is positive question? Anyone?
You can do it.
No, positive question. Question. Yes, anyone? Any positive question? Yes.
What is your strength behind this goal?
Okay. Positive question you have to ask yourself. And it
So what is the strength in me?
Just a minute. It should relate to the dream which you have seen today. Today, whatever you have visualized, you have to create one positive question inside your mind. Yes, Ritu, tell me again what you said.
What is the strength behind this dream or goal? What is the strength in me?
Okay, what is the strength in me? Okay, fine. This is
Determination
also right.
also. So determination.
No, I'm asking about a question. How will you ask question positively? See, okay, I'll tell you one example. I'll give you one example. You will understand. I'll give you, Rupesh, first understand. I'm giving you a negative question. Then you will understand. So many times we ask negative question to our mind, and these are all communication, because we are communicating with our brain. And you know what we say to our brain? Please listen what we say. What's wrong with me, Subhash? What's wrong with me? Why you are not successful? How can you achieve this goal? See, listen, I'm asking myself, and all the questions are negative. Why this is happening to you, Subhash? Why it is always happening to you, Subhash? Why you are always loser, Subhash? Why you always have this money problem, Subhash? Why people, they do not believe you, Subhash? Why success is always far from you, Subhash? These all are negative question. ये जो मैं आपको सुनाने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ ना, ये मेरे लिए डेंजरस है, because I'm speaking, so my mind is taking this question. ये मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ा रिस्क है, और यही चीज हम लोग हर समय अगर कर रहे हैं, if we are doing it every time the same thing, we are making ourselves negative. Now I'm looking for some positive question. हमें ये नहीं बोल के हमें क्या बोलना चाहिए? या सुमन?
So we should think about that. What are the positive resources which will help me to achieve my goal, like knowledge, my mental status, what
Ask question,
should I
ask
access?
question. नहीं उससे should would मत बोलिए. You ask question. Question. Earlier I was speaking negative question. Now I am asking positive question. So what will be the positive question, Priya? Poonam?
Yes, sir. We
I'll come
can,
to you.
sir, like we can say like I'm doing this for my own happiness. This is my because I want to
Poonam, your voice is cracking.
myself.
I'm not getting it because lot of network issues
Sir,
coming. Yes.
Sir, now I'm audible.
It's
So
cracking.
we can you know we can ask like why I'm doing this. Yes, sir.
Your voice is not.
Why
coming,
I'm
Poonam.
doing? Why I'm doing this for my happiness.
Okay. Why I'm doing it for my happiness? What this question is? I want to go to Renu. Renu, tell me the question. Tell me your question.
Sir, Renu, tomorrow is your presentation. Last time you got failed. Are you able to do tomorrow this presentation?
No. Are you able to? You are putting question to yourself. You cannot put question to yourself that are you able to do it? No, never ask this type of question.
We can. Sir,
I'll come. Tomali, tell me the question. I'll come to. Don't worry. I'll come.
Success is not far from me, and I definitely do what I want to do.
You are not asking question. I'm telling you to ask question. Okay, Nandita.
Sir, why I can't be a CEO of a company?
Why
I
can't?
Oh,
That negative word will make your life hell. I'm telling you. Why I can't? Again, you are going to why me? Not like that. Yes, Smita.
Have I enough money to start?
Have I got enough money? Again, you are putting question to yourself. Have I got the enough money? Yes, Smita.
Yes, Smita, you sorry.
Yeah,
Smita,
speak.
you have that strength. You can do it. Do it.
Again, you are not asking question. I'm looking for question because I'm asking question to myself negatively. I have to change my question to me. I'll tell you.
Sir, can I tell?
Am I doing?
If others can do it, why can't you do it? So you will do it.
See, normally what happens, no, we don't use this can't. This can't is very dangerous word. I don't want to consider any negative
Sir,
word
what
here.
is the steps? What is the steps I can to take for my goal?
Yeah, this is good. What step I can take to achieve my goal? Very nice sentence. Very good, Jagruti. What step I can?
We can say whatever I'm doing my own happiness.
See, I'm asking for question. I'm not looking for answer here.
Sir,
I'm
question I have.
What is missing in my life? What is your strength?
Nay, Manogya, what is
Sir, can
Manogya is
I?
saying, just a minute. Manogya is saying what is missing in my life. This is a negative question. What is better in me, Subhash? What is better in me, Subhash?
What is your strength?
What is my strength, Subhash? I have to talk to myself. Yeah, Komal, you were telling something.
Yes, sir. Sir, maybe in this question, what motivates you to do this task? What motivates you to do this task?
Yes, we can say that what motivates you to do this task. Okay, one question we can ask, what can I do to make it better? What can I do to make it better? This is also a positive question. Okay, in what ways would I like to change my life? In what way, मैं किस वे से अपने लाइफ को चेंज करूं या कर सकता हूं? In what ways would I like to change my life? How will my life improve if I make these changes? If I make these changes, how can I improve my life? See, I'm asking all the positive questions.
What more effort
Sir, one more question this can be asked is, suppose I did the mistakes today and my boss said, okay, you did the mistake today, and what are the learnings you learn from your
Yes,
mistake?
absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Yes, what have I learned, Subhash, by this mistake? What did you learn? You know, when you talk to yourself, putting your own name, you connect with your own self.
So it can be what's bothering me.
Again, you are negative.
No, negative.
You are using all the negative. What is bothering me? No. What can excite you, Subhash? What can excite you more? What should happen in your life so that you will be more motivated, Subhash? Tell me, Subhash, what can motivate you? See, now abhi manogya, aap jo abhi, you are making yourself not happy. This is a negative instruction you're giving to mind. You're not happy. Feel about something positive. What I can do to make it better.
So what is your dream, Rupesh?
What is
your dream?
Yeah, that is okay. See, here we already know the dream, because in step 1 we talked about, I know my dream, I visualize my dream. Now I am not setting my dream. My dream is already set. Now I am putting positive question to myself. You know that what will be my next step, Subhash? See, when we fail, what do I say? Why me, Subhash? Why always I fail? This is the question we ask ourselves. Why I fail? Now what people will tell me? That I'm not a good speaker. What people will do? Will people laugh at me? These are negative questions. Can I do it?
How can you improve? This is also negative. How can you improve yourself?
No, this is positive. How can I improve myself, Subhash? How can I improve myself, Subhash? This is positive. But I cannot say, how can I improve myself so that I don't go down? This should not be the speech. Don't talk about failure. Don't talk about failure. Don't talk about going down. You have to always talk about going up. So this is the positive question that we all have to ask. Yes, any question if you have. See, this is the communication we are doing. Huh? Dosa vella chutney.
Sir, what are the special quality in me, or what are the unique qualities in me which makes me different from others to achieve my goals?
Absolutely. So you have to ask yourself, what is the strength I have? What is that unique thing, Subhash, you have, so that that will help you to achieve your goal? Guys, when your communication style will change, your life will change. I'm telling you, when you learn to communicate, you learn to achieve, because you are not only communicating with your brain, you are communicating with success, you're communicating with wealth, you're communicating with all the positive thing in your life. And everything starts in your mind. What you tell your mind, that happens in your life. Okay, so let's go for number 3. Number 3 is edit your mental images. Edit your mental images. Edit your mental images. Edit your mental images. What is called edit your mental images? Why and what is this and why it is important? Renuji, you want to speak?
Negativity.
Okay. Yeah, Renu.
Yes, sir. Whatever negative things, the thought is coming in your mind, skip that thing and think, what can you do? The positive thing. Positive.
Okay, fine. How can you edit it? How can you edit? See, one thing, this questioning, the positive questioning will help. This positive questioning will help. What else you can do?
So visualize what our dreams in our mind.
That visualization will also do it. So like in computer, we edit our, so many picture, edit so many videos, we can edit in our mind also. Okay. Yeah. Yes, tell me.
So the perception that we have in our mind, So we have to remove that perception first while doing the positive question, by asking the positive question yourself.
Absolutely. By asking the positive question. Suppose I have wealth problem. I don't have money to do something which I love to do. So my question will not be this, how can I do, Subhash? I don't have money. Rather, I'll say, from which source I can arrange money to make it possible. So I'm changing the whole pattern in the mind. I'm thinking about probability. I'm thinking about possibility. Okay. Sometimes
In our general life, we are using that kind of we do such things that we, because we find the solution. So we think like that only कि क्या कैसे होगा नहीं, कैसे करना है.
yes, कैसे करना है. You know, there is a line in English. I love this line, and if you find it good, then you should also use it. What you search, it searches you back. What you search, it searches you back. Are you getting what I want to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
you search, it searches you back. So what you search, try to understand what you search. If you search for negativity, it will search you back. You will also meet negativity. If you search for positive, you will get positive, you will meet positive. Okay. Now, so many times we have positive visualization. At the same time, some negative visualization also happens. That suppose if I can't do it, suppose if I'm not achieving it. So there are some negative visualization also which hits people. Does it happen? Negative visualization?
Mostly,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It happens.
Okay, let's do one exercise. Okay, please close your mind. Please do it very honestly. This will help you. I told you that today you have to communicate with yourself. Please close your mind, close your eyes. Please close your eyes and try to think what you want to achieve in your life. Try to visualize it. Try to visualize it. What you want to achieve. What you want to achieve. People are clapping. Listen that. People are telling you, wow, you have done it. Make the picture you are seeing, make it brighter. Make that picture bright. Make that picture more bright so that you can see more clearly. Make that picture big. Make that picture bigger. Make that picture more big and very close to your eyes. Make that picture big. Now, keep your eyes closed. Now think about the negative picture that is irritating you every time. Think about the negative picture which is coming in front of your eyes every time. That negative picture. Think about that negative picture. Now, you imagine that negative picture is becoming darker. That negative picture is becoming darker. The negative picture is becoming darker and it is moving further away. It is moving far from you. This negative picture is moving far from you. This negative picture is moving far for you. The negative picture is moving far from you. Now you cannot see that negative picture. It is going somewhere. I don't know where. It got dissolved in the air. You cannot see that negative picture. You are trying to find it, but you are not getting that negative picture. And suddenly that positive picture comes. The positive picture, which you have seen just now. The brighter picture, the bigger picture. You are seeing the bigger picture now, more clear picture. You can listen the sound of people clapping for you and talking positive about you. You are doing so good in life. You are achieving what you want to achieve. And that picture is getting more bright, more colorful, more colorful, as if you are living that moment. Now, slowly and gradually, you open your eyes. Slowly and gradually, you open your eyes. that negative picture, did you make it brighter, darker?
Yeah.
Did you take it far from your eyes? And was that dissolved in the air or not?
Yes.
This is one of the process you can make your mind positive. What you want, brighter it. What you don't want, darker it. What you want, amplify the sound of happiness. And what you don't want, those sounds, change the sound, just mute the sound. You will not listen anything. This is a regular practice, regular communication you have to do with your mind. I'm telling you, if your mind has negative picture, negative sound, you will speak also negative thing. You know, picture people or things that make you feel good, turning brighter and coming closer to you. You know, please listen this, see this slide, you will understand. What you want, you take that close to you, and what you don't want, you imagine that is going far from you. That is very important. Picture people or things that make you feel good and turning brighter and coming closer to you. These are the small ways. I'm giving you some small tips how you can amplify positive picture in your life, and you can deactivate, you can decrease the negative picture by taking it far from you. Anything you would like to ask?
So, as you said, mental images. So, mental images can be illusion also, or fantasies also?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It could be anything which is stopping you. So whenever you will make it, you know, sometimes you think about negative picture, aap aankhein band karo, you close your eyes and imagine that that negative picture is getting blurred. You are not able to see that. It is getting dissolved in the air and you cannot see that. You have to do this kind of activity, and then only this will change. But this will change, no doubt about it. Okay, yes, anything?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
So daydreaming also comes under mental image. Daydreaming.
Yeah, if it is positive, then it is good.
Okay.
It is positive, then it is good. Absolutely. Yes. Any more question? See, today we are communicating with our mind. Every time I'm telling it, because that communication is more important. Okay. Now let's go for the next step. It is my favorite step. Mess with your negative voices in your head. Mess with negative voices in your head. Mess with your negative voice. Negative voice, you know, some voice which will always demotivate you. I don't know, do you have any voice which demotivates you? Did you have anyone who always speaks negative about you, who always discourage you, who always demotivate you? Is there, do you have any such?
Yes. Maximum of people are doing the same thing.
Maximum people, is it?
Because they are not happy with our success, they are happy to criticize, you know, criticize every time.
Is it hurting you?
Yes,
Obviously,
sir.
sir.
Very much.
Sir. Even our family
Yes,
member
sir.
also.
Our family members say the same sometimes.
Yes, that's
Sir,
more
actually,
hurting you.
the person who are close to our heart, and then they criticize. So yes, sir, definitely it hurts.
So how do you manage? How
Sir,
do you manage yourself?
I never heard because I always think that कि इन्होंने ऐसे बोला है तो I can do it. मैं करके दिखाऊंगी.
That is fine, but you don't know that whether those अब क्या हो रहा है ना, you are becoming desperate, you know, मेरे को करके दिखाना है इसको. So what is happening? You are thinking negative. You are making a negative picture.
No, positive picture.
Positive picture कैसे हो गया?
क्योंकि जब उन्होंने बोला तो मैंने सोचा कि या मैं ये इस मेथड को इस हिसाब से करके उनको दिखाऊंगी कि मैं कर रही हूँ इस हिसाब से. अभी मुझे किसी ने बोला है मैं मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर नहीं बन पाऊंगी, तो मैं उनको तभी नहीं बोलूंगी, करके दिखाना है मुझे.
तो करके दिखाओगी तो आप उनके बारे में अच्छा बोलोगी कि खराब बोलोगी? आज उसके
नहीं,
बारे
उनके
में
बारे नहीं, उनके बारे में मैं अच्छा बोल रही हूँ। क्यों? कि आज उन्होंने मुझे टॉर्चर किया, तभी मैंने ऐसे ठाना कि नहीं, मुझे करके दिखाना है। यानी इन्होंने मुझे किक दिया ऐसे।
देखिए, उन्होंने आपको आपको कहीं ना कहीं हिट किया है कि आप नहीं कर सकते बेसिकली। सो कहीं ना कहीं ये आपकी पॉजिटिविटी है कि आप उसे पॉजिटिवली ले रहे हो, बट दैट वेंट इन अ नेगेटिव वे इन योर माइंड. दैट इज अ नेगेटिव मोटिवेशन, इट इज हर्टिंग यू. इट इज नॉट अ पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन. अगर एक बात बोली, मैं अभी प्रूफ कर सकता हूँ. जो इंसान आपको नेगेटिवली बोला, वो अगर आपको ये बोलता कि यस जागृति, यू विल बिकम अ मोटिवेटर, क्या वो आपको ज्यादा अच्छा लगता?
यस सर,
इसका मतलब ही है कि वो नेगेटिव मोटिवेशन था, ये पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
You took it positively, that is your credit, but that happened negatively only.
Right.
See, many people, they discourage us by speaking, by telling us so many things. आप उनके डायलॉग्स याद कर पाते हो? मतलब कभी कभी कान में गूंजते हैं that they are speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Every time, all the time, sir.
Sir, if the person is sensitive, so how he can cope up of that things and remove all these things, and how he is
Okay.
positive?
अच्छा, एक काम करते. अच्छा, do you see cartoons? कभी आपने देखा है?
Yes, sir.
So if I say, you know, like Rupesh,
sir.
who is your best cartoon character?
Sir, Donald Duck.
Donald Duck. Okay. Yeah, Suman?
Dora the Explorer.
Dora. Okay, Dora. Yeah, Ritu, you see?
Yes, sir. Mine is
पहले-
Zeri Sinchan.
Okay, so you see, मतलब ऐसा कोई है जो बिल्कुल नहीं देखता? मतलब देखा था, एटलीस्ट याद तो होगा ना? Yeah, what happened, Manogya, you don't see now, but did you see or not earlier? कभी भी देखा होगा ना?
Yeah, sir, in my childhood.
So in your childhood, but do you remember their faces? The
Yeah.
way they,
Donald Duck. Donald Duck.
Donald Duck, okay. Donald Duck, Tom and Jerry, these are our favorite.
Jerry, yes.
Okay, तो एक काम करते हैं. Let's communicate with our brain. Okay. So I want, please close your eyes again. थोड़ा सा मजा करेंगे. Okay. Let's close your eyes. Please close your eyes. बहुत अच्छा एक activity है. Please close your eyes and imagine that person who is demotivating you. Imagine the person who is demotivating you and who is telling all the bad thing to you. I don't know what is that bad, but think about that, and that is really hurting you. You cannot tolerate it, that person. Maybe that is your close person, but that is hurting you. Now imagine that person face become a face of your favorite cartoon. Imagine that person is telling, and that face has become the face of the cartoon character which is your favorite. And now whatever he's telling, the sound is also becoming like the same cartoon only. And that person is telling you, and it is just sounding like a cartoon person is telling you the same thing. And you are feeling so funny. Oh my God. This is the same picture, the same sound, it was hurting you, but now you are feeling so good about it. Oh my God, you are so laughing and you are enjoying your time. Oh, lovely, lovely. Please open your eyes now slowly and gradually. Okay, so what happened this time?
It's so funny.
We'll start loving the person.
I don't know, but I saw Manogya. Manogya was laughing like anything.
Yeah. They're like quack quack.
See, the main thing is we tried to change something in our neural mind. We tried to change something. Imagine if we do these kind of funny things, there will be nothing will hurt you in your life. It will always make you feel so comfortable. Nothing will bother you. Nothing will hit you. You will take it all positive. Did you like this activity?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm still
Yes,
fond of
sir.
those cartoons.
You know, you should, and
Best
you should.
activity, sir.
Yes, absolutely. And when you will listen now, you will laugh like anything. Imagine the same thing was always hurting you, and today you are laughing like anything. This is the magic of this changing the image in your mind. You know, this is the communication. You are changing your mind. ये जो आज का class हुआ ना, I'm telling you, this class is changing something in your brain. Even for 1 second, even a 1 minute change will affect positively. You will understand, you will realize something in coming 7 days. I'm telling you, in coming 7 days, something miracle is going to happen in your life, which will make you so happy. This is my challenge to you. This is the definitely happen, because when we change our neural path, some change you will definitely see in your life. And if it happens, do not forget to share at least with me. Any question? So guys, this is very important. You know, I just want to show you. So this is called messing with your negative voices in your head. Messing, you know, you're messing with your negative, you know, mess with the sound of the negative voice so that it has less power. It has less power. You know, sometimes we cannot shout in front of everyone. Even, you know, if some sound is bothering us, we can close our eyes and we can close our eyes and imagine that sound is coming, and you can decrease the volume of the sound. That sound will be, you know, the velocity, the impact of sound will go down. So you can do it in so many ways. So you have to imagine everything. You know, that you have to, whatever you will imagine, that will happen in your life. So guys, you have to mess with the sound which you don't like. If you hear yourself thinking something like you will never get this done, repeat the message with a distorted sound. Please understand what is written, and if you don't understand, I'll tell you. If you hear yourself thinking something like you will never get this done, repeat the message with a distorted sound. Distorted sound. मतलब अगर किसी ने आपको कुछ बोला, if somebody has said you something, you imagine that sound is not reaching, and that sound is becoming a sound of something else, and you're not understanding his voice or her voice. You have to imagine that. You are not understanding. You are trying to understand, but you are not understanding. You are distorting the voice only. You are distorting the voice. Make it a sound like a goofy cartoon character like Donald Duck or SpongeBob. And you will laugh like anything, you know. You will enjoy, and next time that sound, अब देखना क्या होगा, अब जो sound आपने सोचा है ना, अब next time ये जब sound आप imagine करोगे ना, same Donald Duck का sound या same your favorite cartoon का आ जाएगा, और आप बिना मतलब हंस दोगे. और अगर by chance वो इंसान आपके सामने होगा, तो वो सोचेगा, यार why this person is laughing?
That's what I'm thinking, sir.
I'm telling you, next time you will smile and you will laugh, and that person will become very irritated. That, oh my God, what happened now? This is the power of changing our, you know, neural path. That's the power of neuroscience. Notice how different vision of the voice make you feel. अब आपको different जो दिखेगा ना, that will be so good. There will be new hope. You will feel better, and you will feel better. The new change will always be better. This is the power of neuroscience. Okay, the 5 is play out scenarios backward. Play out scenarios backward. You know, I'll not do this because already you are in a very good mood. I don't want to again let you think a negative scene. So I just want that इसी mood को रखिए, रात में हंसी है, no, मतलब इतना हंसी है कि आपके घर के लोग बोले कि what happened today, you know. It should happen. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. if any time you have any scene, when you have any scene or any moment, you know, ये जो हमारे moments होते हैं ना, these bad moments or good moments, these are recorded in the form of a video in our mind.
Yes, sir.
It is recorded in the form of a video. If you remember some good moments, you will see that is moving, And if you see some bad moments also, even that is also moving in your mind. That is also like a movie. So suppose you have any bad experience. Suppose in your life, you had any bad experience. Now, what will you do? Now, please don't think. Now, our mind is in a very good mood. Okay. Suppose if you have any bad mood, you treat that scene like a movie. And after seeing that moment, you go backward. Like we are rewinding, like we rewind button, like we push the rewind button and it get rewind. Again, you see in a backward. And again, you see that movie, again you do backward. Again, you see movie, again you think it is backward going. Again, you think, and again it's back, you know. And after doing it for 6-7 times, you, after going backward, you imagine a wonderful scene. Suddenly, after doing it for 6-7 times, you imagine a beautiful memory of your life. What is happening, you know, the more you are thinking about that bad picture, again rewinding, again bad picture, again rewinding, you are basically distorting that message in your mind. You are distorting that message, and at the end, you are placing one positive picture. What will happen in your next time, whenever that negative movie will start, it will automatically get forward, you know, backward, and the positive picture will suddenly come. Are you understanding what I mean to say? So right now, don't do it. Whenever you are free next time, if any negative picture is here, you try to see that picture, go backward. Again, see that picture happening, again go backward. Do it several times, and finally, you see a wonderful picture. The more you will do like this, that negative picture will get distorted. And then suddenly, whenever that negative picture will come, you will feel so good. So, you know, so this is the way you can change the neural path. This is so important. Any questions, if you have, you can ask. These are the way we can change. And you know, the psychologists, psychiatrists, they do these kind of things.
May I say?
Yeah, Renu.
If we are getting every time anger, गुस्सा बहुत आना, what is the reason?
गुस्सा बहुत आना, it means, see, there are a lot of way to work it out, but first of all, you don't know why this is coming. So if I ask you, Reni ji, why you are becoming angry, tell me.
कुछ भी गलत होता है तो एकदम गुस्सा आता है.
कुछ भी गलत होता है तो गुस्सा आता है, right?
But many people don't do this. They keep quiet, they calm. But I can't do. Immediately I express.
No,
but this
Renu,
is wrong.
Try to understand. It means, who is the source of your anger? Tell me. Who is the source of your anger?
My mind.
No. Who is the, suppose आपको मेरे बात से गुस्सा आ रहा है. So who is the source? I am the source or you are the source?
I am the source.
You are the source.
You are the source, sir.
You are the source, मतलब मेरे बोलने से आपको खराब लगा. So I am the source.
Yes.
But Renu ji, can it happen that I say the same thing to Suman और same चीज सुमन को खराब ना लगे? ऐसा हो सकता है?
हाँ, ऐसा होता है.
इसका मतलब है कि मैं सोर्स हूँ ही नहीं.
Okay.
Are you getting something? If I am a source, then I'll be same for you. I'll be same for everyone. I am not the source. You are the source. Because you took my message negatively. That is the reason So means the anger is within you only.
नहीं बस सर अगर कुछ चीज गलत है तो अगर सामने वाला रिएक्ट नहीं कर रहा है doesn't mean that it's you should be with like
See, I don't know what really happened, but I'm trying to make you feel.
I'm asking you because
That's what I'm telling you. If I am angry, suppose.
People say, Renu, you are very, short temper. I said, why? I don't know. Because the people said you react immediately. So what is this picture?
See, that's what I'm saying. If so many people are saying the same thing, so I have to improve myself. I have to improve myself. I will not change anybody else. I will change myself.
But sir, dual character also can be there, no?
What?
Sir, dual character also can be there. One person can be different in front of you, and same person can be different in.
We cannot. I am telling you to come back to yourself. You people are going to somebody else. We cannot change anybody else. So why I'm thinking about somebody else? I can change myself. So I have to think about me. How can I change myself?
But sir, in that case, what can we do? That same person does any kind of mistake in front of me, but he is not doing any kind of mistake in front of the others. So in that case, what can we do?
See,
that's why I said dual character.
Anger is mine.
Sir.
I am becoming angry. This is my problem. This is my problem. First of all, you have to accept if I am becoming angry, this is my problem. This is not that person. That person is just poking you. That person is just poking you to become angry. But anger is yours. The anger is yours. It is coming from you only. So you have to manage that. You cannot change anybody else. I think Tomali wants to say something.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to say that if we can accept the people are surrounding as they are, that this is the typical attitude or for that person's or that I can't change, then I can just forgive and forget that chapter.
Okay. See, I told you, na, next time, whenever anyone will come and try to make you angry, just close your eyes and think about your best cartoon character. I'm telling you, this is the best thing. It will help you a lot. You will start laughing and that person will become more angry and you will be more happy. Let's do something different, what you have not been doing for your entire life. But always anger is yours, anger. I become angry, but it doesn't go for more than 1 minute maybe. Anger can come, anger may come, but how I manage my anger, that is the main part. Yes.
Sir, आपने बोला go backward. How in?
Just a minute. Yeah, Jagruti.
आपने बोला go backward, तो तभी हमें पॉजिटिव वे से वापस यानी पीछे जाके पॉजिटिव सोचना है सर.
हाँ, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, पहले मैं नेगेटिव सोचा,
हाँ.
उसको बैकवर्ड किया, जैसे रिवाइंड होता है ना, तो जैसे पिक्चर रिवाइंड होता है, so picture will go rewind and once it rewinds, see a positive picture.
Okay sir.
Again नेगेटिव को चलाओ, मूवी को चलाओ, फिर उसको बैकवर्ड में ले जाओ and then see the positive picture.
We do correction there, sir.
We don't do any correction in between the movie clipping. We will do correction in the ending. We'll change the picture only. We'll change the picture. The picture which was hurting me earlier, that picture will not hurt me next time.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
You have to change. So
How
this.
can we fix that problem exactly?
Yeah. Which problem?
So how? No, that the person who very think very negative for us. So how that we can fix that problem? क्योंकि एक बार
You cannot change anyone. You cannot change a negative person to positive person. You cannot change that person. So you have to change your thought. You have to change your mind. आप तो दोनों किसी को change कर ही नहीं सकते. लेकिन when you will change, you will see lot of change in the other person also. When you change, everything changes. And when you change other people, कुछ भी change नहीं होता है. Like.
Sir, it is applicable to this if someone get hurt you in past and some triggering factor comes and again that movement
Right.
is come in present. So this apply for this जो आपने बोला
Yes, absolutely. कोई भी negative history अगर यहाँ पे है, उससे हम ऐसे distort कर सकते हैं. We can distort this moment. You know, there are some people, they are scared of rides. झूला में चढ़ने में बहुत लोगों को डर लगता है. So many people, they are scared of getting into any rides. Even they can also visualize the same thing. They visualize that I am going. You know, everything we can do it with our brain. If we communicate some good ways inside, we can change any. We can take out the fear from our mind. एक बार डर निकल जाएगा ना, so there will be no panic attacks. There will be no anxiety
Sir,
attacks. There
yeah,
will be
here
nothing.
I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
We are keep on changing ourselves for the better, and we are not reacting to it. We are taking the response in our hand. Then when will the other person come to know that he has hurt us and he has told something
It
wrong
is
about
not
us?
important. It is not important.
Sir, he is close to us. He should one fine day he should know that he is talking
He
some
is
nonsense.
close to us. No, you are close to him, or you are close to that person, because you are close, you know. See, but we are a one person only. We are one person, and
So
we have to change
we have to
ourselves.
simply leave it off to him, is it, sir?
Yes. Why we want that person should feel that I am changing? The
No,
person
we will change, sir, for our good.
So
When
why you
that
want to
person
prove
will-
it? Don't prove anybody that I have done it. If you prove, then you will be always conscious कि मैं prove कर पाया. Have I be able to prove myself? Never try to prove anyone.
Okay.
Because when you try to prove anyone, you will always see that person. Is that person now convinced? Is that person convinced? I'm still thinking about that person. Even
So
I
let
will
that
tell.
person go to hell. You concentrate about ourselves only.
That's wonderfully said. Yes, absolutely. This is my life, and I will lead it the way I design it. I design my life. I design my life. And you know, when you design your life, things become better automatically. That's the reason I said how is not, that is, you know, आप जब इंसान को चेंज करना चाहोगे, इंसान चेंज नहीं होगा. जब आप खुद को चेंज करोगे, इंसान चेंज हो जाएंगे. I just want to say that when you change yourself, people will change. So it's
Self
better
and
than
environment.
Positivity.
We can say self and environment.
Absolutely. We can change only ourselves. We cannot change anybody else.
Every individual character.
Absolutely. Okay, so we have the last point today. The last point is visualize colors and connect with them with feelings you would like to experience. Visualize colors and connect with them with feelings you would like to experience. You know, you really have to visualize that you are very happy. You really have to visualize that you are very happy. Okay, let's do one last before we end the session. थोड़ा और खुशी को feel करते हैं. Okay, so please close your eyes again. Please close your eyes and just breathe yourself. You know, inhale and exhale. Breathe very comfortably. Just breathe comfortably and feel relaxed. Just feel relaxed. And try to imagine what is your favorite color. Imagine your favorite color. See that color in your mind. Now imagine there is a bright square. There is a bright cube or square, a kind of a box. Okay. There is a bright box. And the box, the color of the box is the same color what you have thought just now. And that color is the color of happiness. You are outside that box. You are watching that box. And your happiness is inside that box in the form of the color. Now I want you to get into that box. Just go inside that box. Inside that box, there is a lot of happiness. Now you are getting inside that box. You are inside that box, and the color of the box is the same color what you have thought. And you are feeling a lot of happiness because that is the color of happiness. You can feel you are so happy inside that box because you are getting everything inside that box. You're feeling so much happy. You are getting your life so well. You can see your life going so good. This box is a wonderful box. And the color of the box is your favorite color only. And this color is the color of happiness. And you're very happy right now inside that box. You're so happy. You even don't know why you are happy, but you are happy for no damn reason. You are really very happy. Just feel this happiness for some time. Just visualize your happiness inside that box. Now, slowly and gradually, you come out from that box. You come outside that box. And now you see yourself, you are more happy, you are more positive. Now see your breathing. Your breathing is more comfortable than the previous. You're breathing more comfortably right now, as if your health, your body is telling to you, thank you very much. Your body is telling you, thank you very much. Your life is telling you, thank you very much. Your life is telling you, you will definitely get your goal for sure. Thank you. Now you can slowly open your eyes. You know, sometimes we get into that positive mood and we don't want to come back, you know. We are achieving, we are feeling so good, and we really don't want to come back from that box. We want to spend our life inside that box. You know, whatever we have done today, all the visualization, positive visualization, distortion wala visualization, you should always practice this because this is so important and it is really, it will change something in your life. And I believe that today you have enjoyed the class and you have learned many things, how we communicate with our brain. If anybody wants to give any feedback, then I will also feel that you have got really good.
Mind-blowing session, sir.
Thank you. You know, especially for people who really want to achieve something or you want to become so successful, these are the ways you can communicate with your brain and you can make your path to success.
Sir, we would like to
Sir,
learn
one
more.
doubt is there, sir.
Yeah, Prakash.
When we are sitting into that box, no?
Yeah.
Pinky box.
Yeah.
Should we take the other person who's irritating us, or we should leave him?
Why you want to make your life hell? You
No,
know,
sir, I'm imagining something good with him or her.
Oh, you can do that. You can imagine
that
the
only I
good
want
for
to know.
that. Yes,
Should
absolutely.
I leave him? Should I leave him and I enjoy myself, or should I
Yes.
also take him?
You know, he is also happy. I am also happy.
Okay, then it's fine.
Yes, that's the best thing.
Okay.
That's the best part. That's the best part.